Well, no work today. It's about 3:30. And look what I got in the mail. I got a mount. I got my mount. So I'm going to put this thing together and see how my phone fits in it. Finally, I got it. I finally got it. So I'm going to go play with this now and see how my phone mounts into it. It only took freaking 20 years to freaking get it. Jumping. Anyway, I'm going to see how this thing goes together. Stand by. Well, it's not perfect. It's not perfect, but it does work rather well. It does work. I'm not sure how solid this is here. But I have to take the case off it when I use it. But it's better than what I had, which was, well, nothing. Plus, I just got a cheap case here. It's not really a specification. Another thing, if you're going to send me videos for outro, instead of filming like that, film like that. That's, I know it just looks better when I edit it. Like that. So it's not so bad. But we'll see how it works in the truck. That we shall see.